It's a new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, front and rear parking sensors, front heated bucket seats, inductive device charging, streaming audio, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Get into something different. Mitsubishi has what you're looking for. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.